Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, how to create a realistic product mockup in Photoshop. Download or create a link bottle or box mockup. Now convert label design into smart objects. Double click and paste your custom design. Now save smart object to apply automatically. Adjust perspective with transform. Add shadows and highlights for realism. Use curves for bright corrections and add subtle reflections below product. Now place background text machine branding style. Then add depth using light gradient overlay. Adjust color tone with color balance. Save transparent and background versions. Your product mockup is ready for portfolio or client delivery. Thanks for watching.